Hi Layer, I'm Eve. I'm from Taiwan. It is so great to be here to share with you my experience. I have two businesses in Taiwan. One is crane school, one is furniture shop. My furniture is import from Indonesia. I've been working for over 20 years, but sometimes I still struggle with my financial situation. I always decide I want to have the financial freedom. But you know what? Every day I'm worried so many things like staff, education, and the product, supplier, electricity, water. So all the things fill up my time and I feel so exhausted. Until this year in June, my friend come to tell me there is an awesome company and their way help you to make money. It is so unique. And you know what? I find a secret for this company and I realize how can I make money so quickly through to this company system. And I find this secret and I'm so excited. I would like to share with all of you. So that made me, in July, I make 150,000 NT dollar is equal to 5,000 USD. And in August, I make 180,000 NT dollar is around 6,000 USD. Do you want to know how can you make money like that? And my money is still growing. So if you want to know and if you're interested, please contact with me. I'm here to help you.